now been living in this house for 6 months, so we want to take you through some of these awesome Electrolux appliances that we've been using. Previous to this, we were living in the shed with just an air fryer, and now we've got 2 big Electrolux steam ovens with air fryer functions. They've been great for cooking pizza, cooking bread, even defrosting and cooking the steam as well. Now that Jen's started baking, these have been working flat out, pumping out cookies and lots of sticky dough. We have a 90cm Electrolux induction cooktop, so it heats up really fast. I boil a lot of eggs on this thing, so it's got a little timer that comes in handy so we can cook the perfect soft boiled eggs. Also, when you turn this on, it wirelessly talks with the range hood, so you don't have to adjust the fan or turn the range hood on when you're cooking. Off to the side in our kitchen, we have this cool little coffee bar nook. That's where our Electrolux fridge is in. It's got an ice maker, it's got chilled water as well. It's also got interchangeable fridge freezers, so you can choose some compartments if you want it to be a fridge or a freezer. Some cool little internal snack drawers, and the thing I love the most, being a plumber, it has an internal filter, so the filter's actually inside the fridge rather than behind it, so you don't have to slide the fridge in and out to maintain the filter. It also has a charcoal air filter inside to help with fridge odours, and it's got a beautiful gunmetal finish as well. In the coffee bar area, we also have our Electrolux microwave. We chose this because it has a nice flush finish where all the buttons are touch and they're hidden away. One of the design choices we made were to have our laundry back off the kitchen. It's a very hard working space, having 2 young kids. We have a 10kg Electrolux washing machine and an 8kg dryer. Just like the fridge, they can actually connect to your smartphone as well, so you can control them when you're away from home.